three, hack, reset. Again, jab, 1, 2, hack, 3, reset. Again, 1, 2, jab, 3, hack, reset. Okay? Jab, 1, 2, jab, 3, hack, reset. So to combine the two from left to right, we, instead of the hack, reset, it's hack automatically to the next side. So demonstration, jab, 1, 2, jab, 3, hack. Instead of a reset, we're going to actually go straight into the opposite side. 2, jab, 3, hack, back to the other side. Jab, right? 3, hack, back to the other side. Right? So it just switches back and forth in between the hacks. Again, let's go back and forth. Demonstration. Jab, 1, 2, jab, 3, hack, automatically to the left side now. That's the 1, 2, jab, 3, hack, not reset, but back to the other side. All right?